Hi everyone, this is Sheridan here. I'm going to teach you how to make your own paper circuit light up card. So what you need for this project will be your double-sided template, and it would be best if you get it colored beforehand. So if you're going to decorate it in any way, go ahead and decorate it beforehand and don't fold it yet. It'll just make things easier. You'll also need your LED light bulb, your battery, your two strips of copper, and then you'll also need to supply your own Scotch tape because you need Scotch tape as well. So let me get started in showing you what to do. Alright, so you are going to start out with your paper on the back side, and you're going to take your copper strip, and you need to peel the backing away from your copper strip just a little bit though. Don't do the whole thing, as it will most likely get all bent and twisty, so you don't want that. So you're going to place it down at the start of one of the two places here. Okay, and you're just going to line it up and follow it like it is just a guide here. Try and make it as smooth as possible. Once you get to the corner, this is important. Don't break off the piece. We're going to do a fancy little fold way, okay? So you're going to fold it the opposite direction of what you want to go, like this. Press down. Then you're going to go back this way, fold it this way, and press down. And then you're going to continue on your straight path here. Okay. And once you get to that corner, same thing. You're going to fold it backwards, like that. And then you're going to fold it back forward. I could get it straight here. Mine's getting a little crinkled. Sometimes it works still, sometimes it doesn't. Oh, and that just ripped. Okay, so you can see mine is not very smooth, and that tends to happen. If you have extra, like I do here, you just need to rip it off, and it just tears very easily with your fingers. Okay, and then you're going to do the same thing with this other one. So, once again, you're going to peel this back. Okay, and you're going to start with one end and press it down. You're going to smooth it out, and you're going to go to the corner, press that corner opposite direction of the way you're going, and then pull back this way. Press it down. Opposite corner, opposite way I mean, press it down, and press it down. Then you have to go all the way to the end. This is a battery symbol, but you need to go all the way to where it shows there. So don't cut it off too early, because that's going to mess you up. And I'm going to rip that off. Okay? Alright, so that is how you put on the copper. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to put on your lights. So you're going to take your lights, and you can see how there is one with a longer end and a shorter end. It's not much of a difference, but you can see that there is one that's longer. So here on the paper it says long leg, short leg. Okay, so you need to look at your light, see which one the long leg is and the short leg, turn it the right way here, then you're going to unfold it like this. You're going to press it down on here, and this is where your Scotch tape comes into play. You're going to get Scotch tape. You're going to press it right over that leg on top of the copper. You're going to press it down real firm so that that leg has good contact with your copper. You do the same thing over here. Right on top of the copper, press it down nice and firm. Okay, now I'm going to show you the battery. So it says the negative side is facing down, so you need to look at your battery, see which one the negative side is. This one's the positive, so obviously the other side is the negative. So you're going to place that here, and then you're going to put some tape down. This is really important that you put the tape only on the outside edges, okay? Like this, to hold the battery down, but to not cover up the copper. If you cover up the copper with the tape, then that is going to mess up your connection when you go to press it. Okay? So it should look like this when you're done. Alright, so now that you have that on there, you're going to take your paper and you are going to go ahead and fold it in half. Get it matched up nicely. And go ahead, get that on there. So now, when you press your press button, it should hopefully light up. And it does. Woohoo! Okay. So now, if you choose to, you can leave it like this, where the light just shows through the star, or you can get a little X-Acto knife and cut it so that the light actually shines through. So let me show you how to do that. Alright, so to use an X-Acto knife on this, first of all, get parent or guardian permission to be using a knife, okay? If you have scissors, this would work too. You need to open up your card, that way you're not cutting through. Well, actually, first, make sure wherever this light actually is, which it looks like it's going to be right over the star, so that's good. So you're going to cut a little X right where the light should poke through. Okay. And take this, fold it back, and poke it through. So now you can see. And you're done. You have your finished card. It lights up and you're all set. Feel free to email me with any questions you might have.